In the previous video, you saw how I worked on 3 different areas of the house at once, like splashback demolition, bathroom demolition, niche creation, bath structure, waterproof, and more on home renovation, part 1. In this video, we're continuing the work by finishing the installation of the kitchen floor. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more tiling projects like this. It really helps us grow and means a lot to us. And please make sure to watch until the end, you won't want to miss the final result. We're proceeding with the installation of the bathroom wall tiles and the bathtub area tiles. For perfect tile alignment, always use a laser level. It's a game changer for accuracy and speed. Don't forget to use a small level to check the alignment of the shower. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. It's a good idea to apply some masking tape to keep the tile steady until the glue dries. It helps maintain perfect alignment. Remember how this all started? And this is the result once we are all set up and ready for the grouting step. Enjoyed the video until here? Leave a like and let us know what you think in the comments below. We're moving on to grouting the kitchen floor. For wood effect floor tiles, I recommend using light beige or taupe grout for a natural look. Choose a cement-based grout for easy application, or an epoxy grout for extra durability in high moisture areas. Keep the grout lines narrow around 2 to 3 millimeters for the best result. To clean grout, start by removing any excess with a damp sponge during installation. Once the grout is dry, usually after 24 hours, use a soft sponge or microfiber cloth to wipe away any remaining residue. For tougher stains, mix warm water and vinegar, or use a dedicated grout cleaner. Sealing the grout periodically helps protect it from stains and makes future cleaning much easier. Let's go back for a second. Onto the hallway now. Let's keep going. Working with grout quickly is key. It dries fast and gets much more difficult to clean once it starts setting. This is the technique I always use because it doesn't leave any streaks once the cleaning is done. After demolishing and creating the gib, we're now ready to start crafting the design for this splashback, bringing it to life with a fresh new look. If you're curious about how I built the base for this splashback, head over to my channel and check out part 1. Let's lock those tiles in with grout. Don't forget to seal the grout, especially on this area. It really helps protect against moisture and stains. Just the silicone left, and the work here is complete. Remember how it was before? I really love the choice the client made. It fits the space perfectly and adds a great touch of style. Let me know in the comments what you think and if would you have made a different choice. We're now moving on to grouting the entire bathroom. Sorry about the lighting, there were other works going on at the same time. I always recommend using masking tape. To get clean, straight lines, it's a simple trick for a professional finish. Now we're moving on to the final step, which is applying the silicone to finish everything off. From my experience, here are some tips for applying silicone properly. Clean the surface well. Apply silicone evenly. Smooth with your finger. And let it cure for 24 hours. Now let's check out the full result. Thanks everyone for sticking around until the end. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one. See you in the next video. And happy Easter everyone!